How to reset Netflix profile history from your phone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. How to reset Netflix profile history from your phone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can reset your Netflix profile history from your phone. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open the Netflix application and tap My Netflix at the bottom right corner. Then you're going to click on your profile at the top left corner and you'll be able to see a button that says Account. Once you do so, you'll be redirected to the browser because you can only delete that from the browser. Here, you're going to scroll down and click on Privacy and Data Settings right under the section of Profiles. Once you do so, you'll be able to see the option of Viewing Activity. Click on that, and here you'll be able to see your profile watch history. So if you wish to delete a specific activity, you're going to click on this discard icon right next to the episode and click on Hide It. Or if you wish to delete entire history, you can simply click on Hide All and click on Yes, hide all my viewing activity, and it will basically delete your entire watch history from Netflix. So that was how you can reset Netflix profile history from your phone. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.